You have probably seen viral stories of people turning pocket change into millions overnight. But there is a hidden, darker reality. This market operates on a series of aggressive imbalances. Casual traders often find themselves competing against automated systems and hidden insiders who maintain a massive technical advantage over the public. These tokens generally lack any underlying utility. They function as community mascots for specific blockchains, with their value driven entirely by social media momentum and tribal hype. However, you can navigate this environment by establishing a defensive setup pipeline. This process allows you to participate in the market while identifying and dodging the specific traps used to drain retail funds. Survival in this space depends on a mastery of on-chain mechanics. By looking past the viral images, you can begin to see the technical indicators that insiders use to manipulate the market. The Memecoin market is divided into 3 distinct tiers, defined by the level of risk and the potential for a return on investment. Established exchanges sit at the bottom with the lowest risk. Decentralized exchanges occupy the middle, while early-stage launchpads sit at the peak, offering the highest risk alongside the greatest potential upside. Standard centralized exchanges like Coinbase usually only list tokens after they have already achieved massive scale. To find the earliest opportunities, you have to move your operations directly onto the blockchain. Trading on the Solana network, which currently hosts the most active meme markets, requires an on-chain wallet. The industry standard for this network is an application called Phantom. To fund the wallet, you purchase SOL on a centralized exchange and transfer it to your unique Phantom address. This moves your capital from a regulated environment into the decentralized ecosystem. This step removes all traditional financial protections. Once your funds are on-chain, you are the only person responsible for verifying the legitimacy of the tokens you choose to buy. Moving on-chain exposes you to the paper millionaire trap. This is a common situation where a wallet balance appears to be worth millions, but the value is effectively a mirage. This chart visualizes liquidity. If the pool of actual cash backing a token is too small, you will be unable to sell your holdings for their displayed value, regardless of how high the price goes. You must also watch for the insider dump. This occurs when a developer secretly controls a massive portion of the token supply across multiple wallets, intending to sell everything once the public buys in. Bubble Maps lets you inspect holder distribution. Initially, a project may appear to have a diverse group of independent investors, but the tool reveals hidden connections. Linked wallets prove a single entity controls the supply, waiting to take your liquidity. Mastering these distribution and liquidity metrics provides your only real defense. These tools allow you to separate legitimate community projects from coordinated scams before you commit any capital. With a vetted token identified, the next step is to navigate to a decentralized launchpad, such as pump.fun, where tokens are first deployed. To begin the trade, you must authorize the platform to interact with your funded Phantom wallet. This is done by clicking the Connect button and confirming the request in your wallet extension. After connecting, you select your chosen token and enter the specific amount of SOL you are prepared to risk on the trade. The final execution requires manual approval. A pop-up appears in your Phantom extension, asking you to review and sign the transaction to process the swap. If the token gains enough traction and reaches a specific financial threshold, the protocol automatically graduates it to a full decentralized exchange, where it can be traded by a wider audience. Every swap on these platforms is irreversible. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your capital is subject entirely to the momentum of the market. At this stage, your new token balance will be visible inside your Phantom wallet. From here, you can hold the position or sell the tokens back for SOL at any time. Treat every Memecoin trade like a lottery ticket. The moment you buy in, you should consider that money completely gone. If a token's value does increase, you should take profits aggressively. Waiting for life-changing wealth often results in watching your gains evaporate as more disciplined traders exit the market. The potential for significant wins exists, but the market is designed to favor the house. Strict discipline and mechanical vetting are your only tools for surviving this cycle.